What is going on, everybody? Today's video, we're kicking off my Jeep TJ Overland build. I'm getting it ready for a overland trip out to Colorado and Moab, and I figured I would just videotape all the steps and projects and repairs I got to do to get it ready. So again, this is my '99 Jeep Wrangler TJ. This is the foundation of what we're starting with. I bought it bone stock about 3 years ago, and now it's not too much is done to it. It's just a 3 1/4 inch lift on 33 1250s, eBay special front bumper, 12,000 pound winch, which is a little much for it, but I just wanted to go all out, I guess. eBay special rear bumper, but I'm going to be changing that up to get a rear swing out tire carrier so I can get a full-size spare, and I want to be able to mount up a gas can, water can, and maybe a rack right here to carry some fun stuff, or some cargo I should say. What else? I'm going to be getting a rack to put on it so I can get the Smitty-built rooftop tent, and we'll be going from there. But there's a list of things I'm going to do. With it being a 4-cylinder, it's going to be really down on power, so I may re-gear it to 456s or 488s, something like that. That way it can get through the Colorado passes and not go 20 miles an hour up I-70 and whatnot. What else? I gotta put a clutch in it. It's a factory clutch, 160,000 miles, and it's starting to chatter, and the throwout bearing's making some noise. And then I'm gonna be putting a Spartan locker in the rear. So again, this video is just to kick off this series. People can follow along, whatever. I'm just gonna throw the videos up on YouTube of the repairs and the aftermarket upgrades and all that fun stuff. And about a year from now, we'll be out in Moab and Colorado having a blast with this thing, and my buddies are gonna tag along with their Jeeps. So we'll probably have some videos of repairs and aftermarket upgrades we're going to do to their Jeeps as well. So like I said, this is just the kickoff video, and I'll see you on the next one.